Vijayanagar and Bahmani Kingdom. Question 1. With reference to Krishna Deva Raya of Vijayanagar Empire, consider the following statements. 1. He consolidated his empire after the victory in the Battle of Tangadi against the combined forces of Bijapur, Ahmednagar and Golconda. 2. For the first time, muskets as a military technology were used by Krishna Deva Raya. 3. He fortified not only the city but also the agricultural hinterland and forests for protecting the agricultural belts. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. Consider the following statements about medieval history of India. 1. The kingdom of Vijayanagar was established during the reign of the Tughlaq dynasty. 2. Krishnadevaraya was a contemporary of Babur. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 3. Which of the following were chief items of exports in the Vijayanagar kingdom? 1. Mercury. 2. Cotton and silk. 3. Sugar. 4. Pearls. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. 2 and 4 only. Question 4. In the context of Vijayanagar rule, which of the following pairs are correct? Book author. 1. Madhuravijam Ganga Devi. 2. Manuchritam Allasani Peddana. 3. Amuktamalyada Krishna Deva Raya. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 5. Consider the following statements about Vijayanagar School of Architecture. 1. The walls of the temple were highly decorated with geometrical patterns. 2. Gopuram was found on all sides of the temple. 3. Multiple shrines laid out in the shape of an intricately designed star, stellate plan, is a feature of Vijayanagar architecture. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 6. In the context of Vijayanagar Empire, consider the following statements. 1. Capital was shifted to the Hoysala town Hospatna on the south bank. 2. Vijayanagar rulers adopted the emblem of the Chalukyas, the big bull, or Varhas, their royal insignia. 3. The Vijayanagar kingdom was successively ruled by 5 dynasties. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 7. Consider the following statements about Nayaks in the Vijayanagar Empire. 1. Nayaks enjoyed both military and revenue powers. 2. The rise of Nayaks led to the considerable rise of village autonomy and administration. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor. Question 8. Consider the following statements about Krishnadev Raya. 1. He added towering gopuras to many temples. 2. He is the author of the famous poem Amuktamalyada, the story of Andal. 3. He gave legal recognition to the Nayakara system. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 9. Consider the following statements. 1. Duato Barbosa was a contemporary of Vijayanagar king Krishna Deva Raya. 2. Francois Bernier was a contemporary of Mughal Empire Babur. 3. Moroccan traveller Ibn Battuta visited India during the reign of Iltutmish. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 10. Which of the following foreign travellers visited Vijayanagar Kingdom? 1. Niccolo Conti. 2. Domingo Pace. 3. Fanao Nanes. 4. Abdur Razak. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 4 only. C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. D. 2 and 4 only. Question 11. He was killed at the Battle of Talikota, after which the Vijayanagar Empire got fragmented into several semi-independent. Who among the following was discussed above? A. Aliya Ramaraya. B. Srirang I. C. Rama Deva Raya. D. Venkat II. Question 12. Which of the following is the correct chronological order of dynasties of the Vijayanagar Empire? A. Sangam Saluva Arvidu Tuluva. B. Sangam Saluva Tuluva Arvidu. C. Saluva Arvidu Tuluva Sangama. D. Tuluva Sangam Arvidu Saluva. Question 13. Which are the following items exported to China during the Vijayanagar Empire? 1. Spices. 2. Rhino horn. 3. Perfumes. 4. Semi-precious stones. 5. Ebony. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 3, 4 and 5 only. D. All of the above.